This is an example of using a student account to test your Canvas assignment. In your Chrome browser, you can go up to the three dots and do a new incognito window. You'll notice that you're in incognito with this little icon, little spy icon here. And then if you just go into Gmail, I usually just go into gmail.com or click my link to get in. And then I'm going to go in with my test student. You do have to type in the whole student domain for these accounts, and the password information is in the slide presentation. So once that student is signed into their Gmail account, you can go to a new tab and go into your Canvas course. Students also have this link, so they can go to this Canvas dashboard here. And in this test student course, when he clicks on his dashboard, you'll notice that he's a test student in many different classes. So I have an assignment here that I just added for him. So when he opens up that course, he'll actually see on the right-hand side, it's usually the easiest way to find it, his to-do list. This is the assignment that I just added. So this is a new assignment type called a student annotation. And notice that I have also given some directions here for the student to take a look at. I've included a short little video if they would like to hear me actually say or give some specific instructions. I've also added a rubric to this assignment, which is great when I go into the speed grader. So from the student standpoint, he'll start this assignment, and in the student annotations, notice that I'm using a Cami doc on purpose because I wanted to show the differences in the two tools. This assignment does have point annotations, so if I wanted to do this, I could leave a comment. And it also has the ability to come in and use the opportunity for typing. So I can highlight, sorry. So you can highlight that. They can add a text. So I can tell already that this is kind of slid over a little bit. So this is maybe a little big. So the student is going to have to do a little bit of this. He does see the rubric here. So if he wants to do a text annotation, he can do this. Oh, that's super, super small. I don't know how to make that any bigger. Let's see, here's size. You can add text there, change the color, etc. He can strike through annotations. And he can also draw, which is what is usually the most helpful in an annotation assignment, especially with math. Now, one thing that is a little complicated for students is once they have their annotation done, they do have to click this little checkbox to get it to stick. But once it's there, they can move it around as they want to. And then also easy for the student to just hit submit. And now if I can go over to the teacher side and show you what that looks like in SpeedGrader. I can look at my home page on this one and see that now I have an assignment to grade. So in my SpeedGrader, pops right up. I see those annotations, the cross off, the highlight, the text box. I can give my grade here, and I can also view on a rubric. And I can make my rubric a little bit bigger if I wanted to say I like this is the area that they did well on. I can add a comment, or I can even add a video comment and then submit. So that is the new student annotation tool assignment type.